Here's another one.
Oh, this is hilarious. I'm gonna post this on Facebook. It's a fly with its tongue stuck to the frozen chicken. This is absolutely hilarious.
It's turning to fly right at me. But Papa. He didn't get me. He didn't get me.
He's gonna get you? I don't think so. I think he's pretty well stuck, sweetheart.